All right, guys, welcome back. We are still at Agility Customs. On to the axle number 2, though. So we got the 60 done. Now we're going to do the 10.5. And step 1, pull the axles. So there she goes. Oh. Oh, that is so gnarly. That is disgusting. It smells horrid. I wish you could smell this. Look at all the rust in this. There is literal rust. Like, what did the person that owned this before me do with it?
This is my favorite.
Oh my God, it is straight like red rust. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. Shout out to the dude that owned this truck before me. Great service schedules, buddy.
Shout out to Hershey's chocolate syrup.
Yeah, Hershey's Gear Oil. We are marking the caps in relation to the housing so we know how they go and the orientation they go. Because if you get this backwards, you're not going to have a good time.
That's for sure.
Yeah, these things are machined one way only. They work one way and one way only.
Each housing.
So they're not swappable, not interchangeable. You don't want to do any of that crap. Mark them first. Don't get them confused. Don't use paint marker or Sharpie because it'll wipe off. Use a stamp. Do like a Z, an A, a B, C, 2 dots, 3 dots, whatever. Whatever works for you, do that. And then you can pull it apart and not have to worry about it. Just about wrapped up for the day. A lot has changed. We've got a couple of shim changes to make, and Nick's just gonna knock that out while I'm at work tomorrow. It's not anything we need to film. You guys are pretty familiar with what we're doing. We're just gonna get that pattern looking perfect. We're gonna get the crush sleeve adjusted, get everything tightened up so we get our rotational inch pounds that we're looking for. And then it's a matter of finishing painting and putting these things in. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, we are back at Agility Customs today. We are done. The axles are done. The tires are mounted. We build a Jeep this weekend. I cannot wait. Even though EJS is canceled, we're still putting it together like it's going on. So they are done. Now we're gonna pull up and we're gonna load these super heavy things with an engine hoist. But thank you so much for watching. As always, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, tell everybody. I know we're all quarantined, so pass it along, watch some channels, watch some friends, do whatever. But make sure you subscribe first before you go away from our channel. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.